A special train was scheduled from Odisha's Bhadrak district to Chennai. Now, this special train is carrying 250 passengers who were stranded after the train tragedy took place. Now, this special train had various stops dropping off survivors in different states. DMK ministers, including Tamil Nadu Youth, Welfare and Sports Minister Udayanidhi Stalin, along with the Transport Minister S.S. Siv Shankar and some government officials met Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. Tamil Nadu ministers lauded the government's effort in the rescue and the treatment of the injured people, especially those people who are from the state of Tamil Nadu.
टाइम क्या हुआ, ट्रेन शफल हो गया। शफल होने के बाद जैसे हो रहा है कि यहाँ के लोग उधर जा रहे हैं, वहाँ के लोग उधर जा रहे हैं, पूरा मतलब लगेज इधर से उधर इधर, मतलब क्या मैं बताऊँ, उस टाइम हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहे थे हम लोग के साथ हो क्या रहे हैं। फिर मुझे समझ में आया कि ट्रेन में कुछ हुआ है, डिरेल हुआ। मैं सोचा डिरेल हुआ है ट्रेन, इतना बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हुआ है करके पता नहीं था और इतना कैजुअलिटी हुआ। मेरे सामने से सब जो एसी का जो व्हाइट कलर बेडशीट है, वो बेडशीट से सबको ऐसे लपेट के ले जा रहे हैं। वो जो व्हाइट है ना, इतना ब्लड मतलब रेड कलर हो गया है।
एक ट्रेन आया, उसमें दोनों टक्कर होके पूरा बोगी नाश हो गया, एक भी नहीं बचा था। 3 एसी बोगी बचा था और एक स्लीपर बोगी बचा, S3 बचा था, उसी में हम लोग थे। थोड़ा कल्टी होके वो रुका हुआ था तो हम सब बाहर फेंका गया, नीचे फेंका करके थोड़ा बहुत चोट है सबको लगा।
तो 3-4 पलटी मारा, 3-4 पलटी मारने के बाद हम लोग बेहोश हो गया। फिर कैसे करके वो ऊपर से निकले, मतलब 4-5 मैंने 2 डब्बा बचा हुआ, बाकी पूरा के पूरा खत्म है। मेरे सामने में कम से कम 30-40 आदमी मर चुका था। उसके बाद हम लोग कैसे करके वहाँ से।
आपको कैसा हेल्प मिला?
हेल्प बहुत अच्छा मिला, वहाँ के सरकार बहुत अच्छा दिया। बोला वहाँ जहाँ यात्री जाना था वहाँ बस की सुविधा दिया, खाना दिया, चाय दिया, पानी दिया, सब कुछ दिया।
The special train from Bhadrak has reached the MGR Chennai Central Railway Station, and this is the train that's carrying several passengers who were affected due to the train tragedy that took place at Balasore. Several of them have been now brought to Chennai. This is a special train run by the railways and with the coordination of the state government and the union government. These passengers who were affected, some of them of course had sustained minor injuries. Some of them of course miraculously escaped that tragic accident that took place in Balasore. So around 290 of them are being brought to Chennai at this point in time, and massive arrangements have been put in place here at the Chennai station. In fact, to receive these passengers, the State Health Minister and the Revenue and Disaster Management Minister KK.S.R. Ramachandran, all of them along with senior officials are here to receive these passengers, and also elaborate arrangements have been put in place.
We are having over here 6 teams, each team comprising of multiple specialty, various doctors and paramedical staff are here. We are expecting about 293 persons to get down from the train. It is informed that many of them do not have injuries, and about 8 or 9 will have some injuries. We have put teams in the bogies where we are expecting some people who might require medical attention to be brought over here. Now, along with the team of the doctors, we have got a lot of ambulances around over here. Those who will require medical attention and hospitalization will be taken off to the Rajiv Gandhi Medical College, where the casualty ward beds have also been made ready.